Good evening, sir.
Hi everyone. Hopefully everyone can hear me.
Yes, sir. Good evening,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hi, good
Sir.
evening. Good evening everyone. Can you guys please turn on your camera? Okay, I'll start with mine. Give me a moment. Can you see me? Yeah. Sunshine, turn on your camera. What happened? Nobody is turning on their camera. Why is that? Huh? What happened? Anyone? Anything? Nothing? So Aman, I can see you. No
Yes.
one else. Aman is here. No one else is present here? Or you just don't want to turn on the camera? Huh? Nobody is saying anything. What happened? Is your internet not working or just my camera does not work? Okay, who is that? Okay, let me see. Okay, those whose camera, it cannot be like everyone's camera will not work, right? One or two, it's fine, but everyone says the same thing that is not fine. Yeah, Sunshine.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what happened? I asked you to turn on your camera. Murli, Varshini, Shri Kruti.
Yes, sir. It doesn't work, sir.
I know, I know. All right. Okay. See, just tell me honestly, I don't want to turn on the camera. That will be okay for me. Just don't find out reasons. Okay. Anyway. Okay, Aman, you can turn off your camera and thank you for turning on your camera. I'll also turn off. Share the screen. Okay. Can you guys? Okay, wait, this is different. Wait. Okay. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is that in the screen? Yesterday's class, right? Nothing else.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Sure, sir.
Sure. So we'll continue from here itself. Okay. We were studying what we were studying. Huh?
Radiance, sir.
Radiance. What is the name of that chapter?
So,
Lines and angles.
trigonometry.
Yeah, lines
Yes,
and angles. It's not. We have not started trigonometry yet. Yeah, it's a part of it, but we haven't started. We are just learning lines and angles. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just give me one more minute. And please keep answering. So based on yesterday's class, what we have studied till now, let's revise it one more time. So So measurement of angles, like counterclockwise and clockwise, it will be positive and negative. We saw that. The quadrant system we have seen, and magnitude of angles and how we should represent it on the number line or the XY plane, what you can say. Okay. And system of measurement of angles. So there are two systems, sexagesimal system, that is also called English system. And I'm sorry, I think I've written something incorrect here. So this is, okay, sexagesimal system is degrees, degree and minute, right? Minute, second. And a circular system means radians. Okay, in radians we are going to do the calculation. So that is our circular system. And sexagesimal system, or the English system, is when we calculate the values in degree, minute, and second. Okay, and we found out some of the values. We tried to find out some of the values and represented some of the angles on the XY plane. Okay, so let's start. Okay, before we go ahead, let me tell you one more thing. See, radians we can also write as like 1, and see in the superscript when we write, this means radian. Okay, this is called 1 radian. Okay, so this is 1 radian. This is how we can write 1 radian. So 1 radian, sorry, 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degrees. Okay. So everyone, this is clear?
So 1 per C is 1 radian.
Yeah, this is 1 radian. I've written it here now. This is 1 radian. Okay. 1, it's not power, but 1, you can say 1 to the, how do we, 1 radian, we just call it 1 radian. In
Okay.
superscript, we write it. We don't say power. Okay, the meaning of power is something else.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so before we move ahead, I just want to be clear with all of you guys that you have understood it. So let's do some of the problem based on this. And these angles we are also going to see in coming classes, and all of your trigonometric functions, or in mathematics everywhere we are going to see, in physics we are going to see it everywhere. So just write down this problem. Express 60 degree. Okay, wait. Express 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and what? Let's say 90 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 75 degree, and 180 degree. Okay, in what? So this, when we are writing in degrees, we are writing what system? Anyone?
Sir, English system.
English system or sexagesimal system. Okay, and when we are writing, so we will convert this in radians or circular systems. Circular system. Just convert, do it, start doing it. Ashwini, are you there in class? Ashwin, right? Sorry, not Ashwini. Ashwin. Ashwin, you there? Yes or no? Are you there in the class, Ashwin? Okay, Abhinav, Hari. Shrikruti, you have joined from 2 devices.
Sir, one device audio is not clear, so I joined in 2 devices.
Oh, okay. Was she? Someone is missing again. Why you guys are missing classes, yaar? What happened to that DAV girl? What happened to her? Anyone? Varshini? She's your friend, right?
I'm not sure, sir. She didn't say anything.
She didn't say anything means?
She didn't inform why she didn't come to the class.
She's not coming to any class.
She came in the chemistry class, sir.
Okay, she's not in mathematics class.
Yes, sir. She didn't join today.
Okay. Yesterday was she there?
No, sir. I think so. No.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, no issues. So done, everyone. Did you express this in circular system? So 30 degree, how you will express 30 degree in, so this is in degrees, so you need to express in radians. Okay, so 30 degree will be how many radians? Anyone? Aman? Sham, you there in class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sham, how you tell me 30 degrees how many radians? How do you convert this? You know how to convert it? Yes or no? Sham, please answer.
No.
Huh?
No, sir.
Yesterday we did this,
Sir.
right? Did you revise? Hello? Did you guys revise what we did yesterday?
Yes, sir.
See, it's really simple, right? It's
Sir,
mathematics.
can I tell?
Yeah, tell me. Who's this?
Jeffrey.
Okay, Jeffrey, tell me how you will do it.
0.5.
Okay, you don't have to convert in point. You just you have to convert this in terms of pi only. Okay, so simply 1 degree is equal to how many radians? Anyone?
Pi
by
180.
Pi by 180 radians, right? Pi by, who said 60?
Sir, by mistake.
You are making too many mistakes. Who's that? Jeffrey?
No,
Sir,
sir.
Hari, sir, Hari.
Hari, acha, Hari, okay, okay, Hari. Not sunshine, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. I'm just writing C that represent radian. Okay, so 30 degree will be equal to how much? Pi by 180 multiplied by 30.
5,400.
Right, so this is it. Do we have any problem here? So far it is good.
Yes, sir.
Or we can
Yes.
simply just write pi by 180. Okay, we don't have to write the C. Okay, it's not necessary. You can either you can write or you don't need to write. So this is how much? Pi by 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Pi by 6. So this is pi by 6 radian. 30 degree is pi by 6 radian. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
do we?
You don't need to put the
do-
value of
do
pi.
We completely write pi.
Yeah,
okay,
you
sir, okay, sir.
yesterday only I told you, no, you don't have to. Somebody did ask me yesterday, right? Who asked yesterday?
Sir, yeah, me only, sir.
Jeffrey. Yeah,
Yes.
Jeffrey asked this problem. We don't need
I
to write
asked
pi.
whether we have to divide 22 by 7 or
Yeah, I got it. You don't have to do that. Okay, we'll just
Okay,
write pi as pi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we won't be so similarly you do for 45, 60, 90. Just do it fast.
Completed,
Hopefully
sir.
Completed. Okay, how many of you have completed? Shrikruti,
Yes, sir, I did.
Nidhi,
Completed, sir. I only told you.
Shreya,
No, sir.
still doing it? Okay, Varshini,
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
done. Very good. Murli,
Sir, almost done, sir. Last.
okay. Naveen, you done? Naveen, can you hear me? Shakti, you are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good. DAV, waiting for your response.
Doing, sir. 1 second.
Doing it. So 1 second is a very small time there. Okay, we'll do it because we have to cover a lot. So let's do second one. Second one is 45 degree, right? So 45 degree, can anyone tell me? See,
Pi
it's
by 4.
pi, yeah,
Pi by
pi-
4.
Pi by 4.
it's simply pi by 180 into 45, right? So that will be your pi by how much?
4.
Pi by 4.
4.
Okay, third one,
Pi by 3.
The third one is 60 degree, right?
5/3, sir.
5/3 radians.
5/3 radian. Okay, good. Next, 90.
5/2.
5/2 radian.
5/2. Very good. What else? What was that?
120 degree.
120 degrees.
2 pi/3
2
radian.
pi/3.
2/3.
2 pi/3. Good, good. Next,
135 degree. 3
3
pi/4.
pi/4
135
radian.
degree. Okay. 3 pi by
4.
radian, right? And one more I give, I think.
75 degrees. 5 pi/4.
How much?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
If it comes like 2 pi by 6 or something, we can just simplify it, right, sir? Even
Yeah, you can simplify this, no?
okay, sir.
See, you just don't need to substitute the value of pi. Other than that, you can simplify as much as you can, okay? So
Okay.
75 degree will be 5 pi by
5/12.
how much?
12.
12. Okay, good. Just give me a moment. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so that means you guys have understood how to convert degrees into radians, right? No
Yes.
issues there. Okay, very good. Okay, so just do this problem. Now you have to express 104 degree 36 minute into circular system. That means this into radians you have to convert. Can you do that? Okay, this is hexadecimal. You have to convert in circular system. Do it. See, these are these angles that we just did the previous problem. These we are all the time we are going to use these angles. Okay, that's why I just wanted to give you these. Done, everyone. How many of you are finished?
So 1 minute, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, but not more than that. Nidhi. Jeff. Bezos.
Yes, sir.
Murali, what happened? Do it fast.
Doing,
Naveen,
sir.
can you hear me? Because I'm not getting any response from you. Naveen? Sham, you understood, no? Previous problem, how to do it?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, good. So try this one. How many of you are done? Anyone? Okay. So Shri Kruti. Biology. What happened?
Sir, doing it.
Sir, 520 pi by 900.
5,
20
520,
pi
5,
by 900.
5 by 900. Okay. So you can also cancel out this, no, if you are getting this. You can, what I mean is you can simplify it little further. So this is 26 upon 45. So this will be 26 upon 45 pi radian, right? According to you. I'm not saying this is correct or wrong. I'm just trying. I'm just saying you can simplify it further.
Sir,
Yeah. How much you are
I'm
getting?
getting a different answers.
Yeah. Tell me, no.
52 pi by 225.
52 pi by
225.
225. Okay. Any other answer?
523 pi by 900.
523 pi by 900. Who is this?
Srinidhi, sir.
Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi. Anyone else? Anyone? Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, so this is 104 degree 36 minute, right? Remember we write like this, 104 degree and this is 36 minute. Okay, so we can write this as 104 degree plus 36 minute. The meaning is same. Okay, or you can write 104 degree plus. Now you want to convert this minute into degrees, right? And we know one minute in 1 degree, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes,
60 minutes.
right? We know this thing. Now we'll use this here. So in 36, that means in, see, 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Let me write it like this. Okay, those who haven't understood, please see here. 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. So 1 minute will be equal to how much? 1 upon 60 degrees. Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means 36 minute will be equal to how much? 1 upon 60 into 36.
So
Degree? Yeah.
160 seconds.
Seconds? What seconds?
2060 seconds.
I don't get it. Oh, right. What are you telling? I didn't get it.
So I just did 60, 60 into 36.
60 into 36.
Oh, I have to divide it. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, it is 1 upon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that means I can substitute here, instead of 36 minute, I can write 36 upon 60 degree. Fine. Is that okay? Now we can add the, now since the units are same, see this is also in degree, this is also in degree. So we can add these two. Okay. So if you add, what you will get? How much you will get? Huh? Anyone?
523 by 5.
Yes, 523 upon 5. Please don't ask me to do this math. Okay. Degree. This much degree. You just need to add these two numbers. Okay. You will get 523 upon 5 degree. And we know, so this is 104 degree 36 minute. We can write as 523 upon 5 degree. Okay. Now we know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Fine. Isn't it? Now we have these many degrees. Okay, so we can write 523 upon 5 degree will be equal to pi upon 180 multiplied by 523 upon 5 radian. I can just put a C. Now if you multiply this, how much you get? 523 pi upon 180 into 5, that is 900. Okay, so this is 104 degree 36 minute. You can also write this as 523 upon 5 degree, and that is equal to 523 upon 900 pi radian. Have you understood? Anybody, any doubt? So this is your answer. Everyone got this? Yes or no?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody having doubt? Anyone? Please tell me. If you have doubt, I'll explain it again. Because these, see, lines and angles, it's really important to understand before we go forward into, you know, deep into trigonometry, and we try to relate with function, domain, range. So it's better to understand these things first. Okay, we just don't directly start with you know, spelling apple. We first learn the alphabets, right? So that's what we are trying to do it here. Okay. Okay, do this problem. Okay, convert 3 pi by 11 into degrees. So this is in radian. Okay, these many radian. You convert in sexagesimal. Hexadecimal system. Okay, convert. Do it. It's easy, right? We have done it. Do it fast. In a similar manner, we'll do. Just remember this. Where this is how we have converted here, right? So if you know this, And of course, one more thing you need to know. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That means 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minute, right? And this will be equal to 1 upon, okay, this will be equal to, let me write it here. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minute. That will be equal to 1 upon 3600 degree. Is this clear? Like, and 1 minute is equal to 1 upon how much? 60 degree. Just give me a moment, okay? Do it fast. Done? How many of you are done? Anyone? Nidhi?
Almost, sir.
Biology?
Sir, 49.09 degree.
49.0. You are close. You are close. Okay. Convert in see 09 degree, you convert that in minute and second. If you are getting that. Ashwin?
Okay.
Ashwin? You can reply, Ashwin. Sunshine, what happened? You understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it. Murli, Naveen, Shakti, what happened?
Sir, almost done, sir.
Varshini,
Doing, sir.
okay, do it fast. Shreya was
Sure.
also there, no? Shreya left.
Sir, Shreya told she has network problem.
Okay. Acha, Shreya, okay. Okay, fine. I can't do anything with that. Network problem as if, all right. So she'll be joining or not?
Sir, I think after it gets cleared, she'll join.
Okay. Okay, do it fast. We don't have whole day. Please do it fast. Just use the same concept. Okay. We are going to use the same concept. See,
49 degrees, 5 minutes and 27.27 seconds.
okay, very good. Who's that? Nidhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. That's what we know. See, from the basics, we'll start from the basic. Okay. If we don't know anything, we'll start from here. So this is okay. Let's write radian, pi radian. So 1 radian will be equal to how much? 180 degree upon pi. Fine. Or you can write 180 upon pi degree if you're confused. Okay. Got it. Therefore, we can write 3 pi by 11. 3 pi by 11. That's what the problem is. These many radians. How we can write 180 upon pi multiplied by how much? 3 pi by 11. Fine. Is this okay? Of course, this is in degree. Whatever we are doing, the right hand side is in degrees. All right. So let's write it. This will be equal to how much? Can we write it? If you multiply, you'll get 540 upon 11 degree. Kruti, Shri Kruti, biology, you're done or not?
Yes, sir.
How much you got the answer? What's your answer?
49 degree, 5 minutes, 27 seconds.
27 seconds. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so 540 upon 11, and in mixed fraction, this is a proper fraction. So in mixed fraction, we can write 49 1 upon 11 degree. Is that okay? How many of you don't know how to write this from here to here? How many of you have problem with this?
So can you explain, sir?
Can I explain this?
Yes, sir.
No, I am not going to explain this. I think you should go and you start reading. That's why I'm asking. If you don't know how to do it, there is a big problem. You just need 540 by 11. You have to divide like that. Okay. How many times it will go? Okay, let's see 4. Okay, so this will be 44, right? Is that fine? So this is 10 and 100. Now again, how many times you can take it? 9, 90 now. What is the remainder? 1. So how do we write it? We write it as 49 multiplied by 11. I mean 11 multiplied by 49 plus 1. Reminder, we are writing it here. Okay.
Understood. Sir.
Got it? Please don't ask me these things. Yeah. Ashwin, you got it or not? Please reply, Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're saying yes, I will. Acha, there was supposed to be a test on Sunday, no? Why you guys didn't took the test? Huh?
Sir, Bhaskar sir said that there was no test.
Yes,
There
sir, I
was?
asked, he said there was no test.
There was no test. Okay, I'll talk to Raghav. Anyway, so we'll do it. So how we can write this? We can also write this as 49 plus, this is in degree, 1 upon 11. This everything is in degree, so you can write degree here, and this is also in degree. Okay, so we can write this as 49 degree plus, now we'll convert this degree into minute. Okay, so 1 upon 11 into what? 60. So that's how we are going to convert degree, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and we are converting from degree, this is in degree, to what? Minute. From degree to minute we are converting here, right? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this we can write, again we can write this as 49 degree. 49 will just keep it separate, because we have got 49 as proper in degrees we have got, we don't have any fraction. So 49 degree, and this we can write as 60 upon 11. So 60 upon 11 in mixed fraction, how we can write? Say 60 upon 11, right? So that means 60 divided by 11. How you can write this? 5 times. So this is 55. 5 is the remainder. So in mixed fraction, you can write as 5 like this. Can we write? No, sorry. 11. No, this is what we can write as. We can write this 5, 11, 5. We can write it like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
5 to 5 by 11, and this is in minute. Okay. Now again we can write this as 49 degree plus. Now this mixed fraction, again we can separate 5 minute, we'll separate, plus 5 upon 11 minute. Now we'll have to convert this 5 upon 11 minute into second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We know that. So again we'll write 49 degree plus 5 minute plus, now this is 5 upon 11 minute. Now we'll convert this minute into second. So we'll just multiply it by 60. Now this minute will become second. Okay.
Sir, shouldn't we do multiplied by 60 into 60 for seconds?
60 into 60 for seconds. Where? Here, 60 into 60.
Yeah, 5 by 11 into 60 into 60.
Okay. See, if this was in degree, then you will multiply it, right?
Okay.
This is already in minute.
Oh, okay. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else is having that same doubt? See, this is in minute, and we are converting minute into second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we'll just multiply by 60 to convert this minute. So this is in minute, right? And this is in second. Okay. So this we can write as 49 degree plus 5 minute plus, how much will be this? This will be 60 means 300 by 11. Right, 300 by 11, can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
right? 5 into 60 upon 11. So this is 300 by 11. So 2 times, so it will be 22. Now it is 8. So 7 times you multiply. So this will get 77 and 3 is the remainder. Okay, so in mixed fraction, we can write as how do we write 27 3 upon 11 second, right? So this is how we can write it. So your final answer will be, we need to convert 3 pi upon 11 radian is equal to 49 degree. Now we can write all together 5 minute 27 3 upon 11, or you can also write 300 by how much 300 by 11 second. So this is how we write it. Okay, how many of you have doubt in this? Everyone understood? Any doubt
Yes,
at all?
sir.
Anyone, any doubt? Ashwin, you understood this? This is how we are going to write. Okay. Nidhi. Biology. No response. Anyone? Okay. Why you guys are not responding? What happened? You guys are here, right? Varshini,
Yes, sir.
you understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Shakti.
Yes, sir.
Naveen. Naveen, you there? Murli. Who is Naveen?
Sir, understood. Sir.
Naveen. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Sunshine.
Understood, sir.
DAV. Jeff. Aman.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So you will be able to do these type of problems, right? Conversion problem you will be able to do, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down one homework. So this is your homework problem. Convert 11 pi by 27 radian into degrees. Okay, so this is your homework. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll move ahead. Write down one more problem. Write down the angle of a triangle are in ratio of 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me write the problem. The angle of a triangle are in a ratio of 2:3:4. This is again your homework. Okay, do it as homework. Express the angle in circular measurement or circular form. Let's write circular form and in degrees or sexagesimal form. Okay, so this is your homework. The next topic that we are going to see is arc radius and angle relation. Everyone got the homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our next topic is arc radius and angle relation. Okay. So there is a yesterday I think I have explained you guys that suppose you have a circle. If you have a circle, so let's say this O is the center of the circle and there is a point A and a point B here. Okay, we are taking point B somewhere around here. So whatever the measure of this angle is, this angle, let's say this angle is theta. Okay, so theta and this length, this AB, it is called arc length, right? So arc length AB is directly proportional to angle theta. Okay, for the same circle. Now suppose if you take any point, let's say C here. Okay, so arc AC will be proportional to this angle. Let's say this is theta 1, so let's say this is theta 2. So theta 1 is proportional to angle theta 2. Okay, now to remove this proportionality, we need a constant. You know this thing, right? If like in gravitational force is directly proportional to what? Product of the masses of two bodies, m1 into m2, and inversely proportional to square root of the square of the separation between them, right? And to remove this proportionality, what do you use? You use a universal gravitational constant that is called capital G, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what you do, no? So this constant is always constant. This constant. Why this is called universal gravitational constant? Because throughout, in every point, anywhere you take this G, the value of G in the entire universe, it will remain constant. That is 6.67 into 10 to the power of -11. Okay, so this value will always remain constant, right? So that's why it is called universal gravitational constant. So to remove this proportionality sign, we use to make this equality sign, you'll multiply it with a constant, right? So we need to find that constant here. So AB is equal to some constant into theta. Okay, so we need to find this K. So that's our goal here. Okay, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's write down a theorem for this. What is the meaning of theorem? Anyone? What is a theorem?
A
Anyone?
statement with a proof.
Yes, statement that can with a proof. Okay, who was that?
Shilkruti.
Biology.
Yes, sir.
So you have to say I am biology. Okay, you don't have to say your name. I'll understand. Okay, so the theorem is, if, write down, if in a circle of radius r, if in a circle of radius r, an arc length L, subtends an angle theta. On theta is in radian. Theta must be in radian. So let's write theta radian. Okay, then theta is equal to L upon R. Okay, and we are going to prove this theorem. Okay, everyone wrote this theorem, understood this thing? Let's try to understand with the help of a circle. Okay, suppose this is the circle. Now suppose this O is the center of the circle. All right, let me draw some lines. Okay, so let's say this point is A, and how much is OA? Anyone? OA is how much?
R.
R, yes, because it's the radius of the circle, right? Now let's take, yesterday also we have proved one, not a theorem, but in general we have proved a statement that we could have called a theorem. Let's say this is B and this length, arc length AB, let arc length AB. So you know arc length AB we can write like this is equal to how much? R. Let's say is equal to the radius. So this length is equal to the radius. Okay, so let's say AB, arc length of AB is equal to R. Okay, and let's mark another point somewhere on the circle. Anywhere we can mark. Let's say we can mark here. Okay, we can mark it here. Let's join it. Okay, got it? So yesterday what we have done, yesterday we had proved that this is 1 radian. Remember, this we had proved, this is 1 radian. Let me go back where we had done. I think here, right? This. From here only the definition of 1 radian we had got. Remember, 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. See, That's what we had done here. So this is 1 radian. Okay. Yes or no? See, whatever the radius of circle is, if it's a bigger circle, that means arc length AB will be bigger. So that subtended angle will be 1 radian. Okay, let's say there is a smaller circle. Okay, the circle is small, and that means the radius R will be small. So this length AB will be small, right? But this angle will always be 1 radian. Whenever this AB, if arc length AB is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended is 1 radian. Okay, so this angle is 1 radian. Got it, everyone? And let's say this angle is theta or theta radian, because we are measuring everything in radian. So let's say this is theta radian. Okay, let's say this point is C. Okay, anyone, any problem, any doubt so far? Huh? Now,
No, sir.
now let's say that arc length AC, this length from here till here. Let's say this length is L. Okay, so arc length AC is equal to L. Now you can ask this problem. You can imagine that how are you going to measure AC? It's like a thread. Okay, if you have a thread or a wire in your room, you can make a circular loop out of it, right? And if you'll stretch it, if you'll give some tension force in that wire, you can make it a straight line, and you can measure that wire, the length of that wire, right? So that's how we are going to do it here also. Okay. Now we have already established this angle AOB is equal to 1 radian, right? Yesterday we had proved this. Okay, anyone, any doubt so far? And we have discussed it here that the arc length is always proportional to the angle subtended by it. Okay, so let's take ratio of angle AOB upon angle AOC. So this will be equal to arc length AB upon arc length AC. Okay, now angle AOB is how much? AOB is 1 radian, right? And angle AOC is theta radian. So this will be equal to AB. AB is how much? R. And AC is how much? L. See here, we have taken this. Fine. Anyone, any doubt? So from here, if this is 1 radian, so can we write like this? Can we write like theta radian is equal to L upon R? Or let me write this R, because we have been I've been writing R like that. So is that clear to everyone, or anyone is having any doubt? We just proved this. Okay, you can write theta or you can just simply write theta. Theta is equal to L upon R. Okay, and there are conditions, that is, so first condition is theta is always in radian. Theta is measured in radian. Okay, this is really important. Okay, radian.
Sir,
Yeah.
So if the question, if they give a question in theta in some degree or angle,
You have
we
to convert first
to
in radian
first.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes. And L, and one more important thing, this L and R, these must have same unit. Okay, must have same unit. Sorry. Everyone got this? Because it cannot be meter and centimeter, right? You have to, if it is in meter, you have to first convert in centimeter, L and R. L and R are length only, right? You will measure it in meter, centimeter, millimeter, decimeter, decameter. These are the units only you are going to use. right? Like when you are going to measure the diameter of proton, neutron, or an atom. So what we astronomical angstroms, we use angstrom there, right? A naught. Just have you heard this term before? Huh? 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. How many of you know this thing? Huh? Atomic structures you have studied, right? You have studied in 8th standard as well as in 10th standard, I suppose. I'm not sure. Is there anyone online, or guys you have left the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So please reply. When I'm asking, please try to reply. Okay, so theta is equal to L upon R. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's take some examples. Okay, let me first explain this again here. So suppose from any line, any two line, it cannot, it don't has to be this line. Suppose this is the initial line, this is the final line. Okay, this is O, we can name A, B. So OA and OB will be equal to R, right? And suppose this angle you are measuring. Okay, you are measuring this angle, and this angle, let's say this angle is alpha. Okay, so arc length AB this side in the counterclockwise direction, or you can say C. If you put a point C here, you can write ACB. Arc length ACB is equal to L upon R, right? See, L upon R. No, sorry. Alpha is equal to, I'm sorry, that's my mistake. So we can write alpha, that means this angle, alpha will be equal to arc length ACB upon the radius. This is the radius R. Okay, and this, let's say this is beta. So angle beta will be equal to arc length A, let's name some point here D, A D B upon R. Got it? Yes or no? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully everyone got this thing, right? Acha, can anyone tell me what is the angle between angle between 1 hour? What is the separation between 1 hour in a clock? How many of you understood my question?
sir, minutes and seconds.
Angle, I'm saying angle in like you have a clock, no? You have a clock, something like this, right? You have 12,
Sir, 1 degree.
6, 3, 9, right? I'm asking, what is the angle between 1 and 2? What is this angle theta?
1 degree.
6 degrees, 30 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
See, this complete angle from, see, if this is, let's say OA, and if it take a complete rotation in clockwise direction, that is negative, obviously negative, because we are measuring in clockwise direction. But if we only talk about magnitude, so it is 360 degree. To complete one rotation, it has to move by 360 degree, right? It has to rotate by 360 degree. And how many divisions are there? 12 divisions, 12 equal divisions. That means in between all two numbers, it will be 360 upon 12. So it is 30 degree. Okay, so the angle between 2 and 3 is 30 degree. So what is the angle between 3 and 6? Anyone?
90 degrees.
90 degrees, right? Okay, so you understood this thing, right? What I'm trying to tell you here. Okay, let's do some of the problems based on this. Shall we? Yes or no? Dude,
Yes, sir.
what happened? In online class, everyone is energyless. Is that? Okay, find the length of an arc of circle of radius 10 centimeter, which subtends an angle of 45 degree at the center. Okay, got it? Okay, so I'll just draw the problem. See, nobody is saying if they have got the problem, if they have understood or not.
Can you repeat actually?
Yeah, why are you not saying that? So what I'm saying this is O, let's say this is A, and let's say this point here is B. Okay, so you are given the radius 10 centimeter, OA is given 10 centimeter, and this separation is 45 degree, and you need to find this length L. How many of you can do it? Do it fast. Ashwin, I need answer from you. How are we going to proceed with this problem? Anyone? Nidhi?
7.86 centimeter.
7.86 centimeter. Okay, you don't have to convert the value of pi. Okay, how you did? Nidhi, this is you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me how you did it.
First, we need to convert the theta value into radians, which will be
Okay.
pi by 4 degree, pi by 4 radians.
See, we
Then
have, yeah, exactly. Okay, tell me, go ahead. Yes.
Then we can substitute in the formula theta is equal to L by R. We'll get L is equal to R theta, which is equal to 10 into 10 pi by, is equal to 10 into pi by 4.
Okay, got, that means you have got it. See, R value is given here. Theta value is also given, right? This is theta. We need to find this L. But if you remember, I have already told you that theta must be in radian. See, theta must be in radian. Theta cannot be in degree. Okay, so that means theta is given 45 degree. So first you convert this 45 degree into radian. See, we have already done this, right? 45 degree where we have converted here. I think here, right? Somewhere around here. 45 degree. So this is pi by 4. Fine. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So theta is given pi by 4. Ashwin, you understood? Theta
Yes.
theta must be in radian. Theta must be in radian. So this is pi by 4. Now what? Now you have already got and you know the value of R, so you can find L from here. L L will be equal to theta into R. Fine, and theta we have got pi by 4, and R is 10 centimeter. So this will be equal to this will be 5 by 2 pi centimeter, right? If you want, you can convert this in decimal. You can just substitute pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7, whatever you like. But I'll suggest just keep it like this. Okay. If they haven't asked in fraction, you don't need to do that. Okay, Nidhi?
Okay, sir.
You just leave it here itself. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down second problem. A railway train is traveling on a curve of 500 meter. Okay, let me write it. A railway train. So I just need to write train. A railway train is traveling on a curve of 500 meter radius. Okay, at the rate of 66, okay, 66 kilometer per hour. So the problem is through what angle will it turn in 20 seconds? Everyone got this problem or any doubt? It's easy, right? Anyone having any doubt in this problem? To understand this problem, please tell me. Please solve this problem. See, I'll give some homework based on this chapter, and I'll give it to Bhaskar again, and he'll forward in the group. And please submit your answers. Okay, please
Sir,
submit
it's
your
at
answers.
66 kilometer per hour.
66. Tell me.
Sir, in the question there, is that 66 or 60, sir?
It is 60. You can take 60 if you want 60. You can take it. I have given 66.
Okay.
Okay, this is 66 kilometer per hour. So speed of the train is given. Also time is given. See, time is given, right? So distance traveled in 20 seconds you can find. So that will be, let's say S is the distance traveled in 20 seconds. So S will be equal to how much? First you have to convert this second into, or see, here it is meter. So you can convert this kmph, means kilometer per hour, into meter per second. That you can also do. Okay, so let's convert this. So we know speed, distance. See, you know this formula, right? S is equal to ut plus half at square. How many of you have read this formula in in your accelerated motion? You have studied this, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
See, right now there is no acceleration, so this term will be 0. This is a uniform motion. See, this part means uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion means acceleration is equal to 0. And this part is uniform acceleration. That means acceleration is equal to constant. Okay, so here this is not given. That means only uniform motion is given. Unless there is any acceleration provided, we will always consider this as 0. So from here we get S is equal to U into T, right? And the speed is 66 kilometer per hour. How do we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? Into 5 by 18, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or why we multiplied by 5 by 18? Anybody?
Sir, to get 10 seconds unit.
Arey nahi yaar. See, this is
Into
see,
1000 by
yes,
3600.
into 1000 by 3600. Good. Why? Because see, you have 1 kilometer per hour, right? That means let me just explain it a little bit. 1 kilometer per hour. That means you have to convert in meter per second, no? So 1 will remain as it is. In 1 kilometer, we have 1000 meter, right? And in 1 hour, we have 3600 seconds, right? So this will be equal to how much? 5 by 18 meter per second. That's why we multiply it here by 5 by 18. So when you multiply it by 5 by 18, this will become meter per second. And in time is given 20 seconds, right? So how much is the distance traveled? S will be equal to how much? Anyone? Tell me. So this is 66, no, not 60. This is 66, I'm sorry. This is 66, right? So this will be equal to 1100 upon 3 meter. Okay, so this much has the train traveled. So what length is this? Now see here, it's saying the train is moving in a curved path, right? It's moving in a curved path with radius. The radius is also given how much? 500 meter, right? The radius is 500 meter. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir, yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, 500, and the curved path is this one, right? In this circular path, it is moving. And this length we just found out, that is equal to 1100 upon, because the train is moving in this direction, no? From this point A to point B, it is going, right? That's what is happening. No, the train was at this point A, now it is at point B, and it is moving on a curved path, and the radius of that path is fixed, that is 50 meter. And this we have got, and we have calculated S. This S is equal to L, right? And we need to find this angle theta, and we know theta is equal to what? L upon R. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so L we have got how much? 1100 upon 3 divided by r. R is 500. So how much will be this? Theta will be equal to, anyone?
11 by 15. So
11 by 15 radians.
Right? 11 by 15 radian. Okay. This is in radian. Please do not put degree here. Whatever calculation we are getting, we are doing it in radian. Okay. So this is a radian. Now, can anyone convert this in degree? How you will do that? So 11 by 15 radian, Ashwin, 11 by 15 radian is equal to how many degrees? How do you convert it? See, 1 radian is equal to how much? Pi by 180 degree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is this correct? Srinidhi? Nidhi, is this correct?
No, sir.
Sir, 180 by pi.
See, we know this, right? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. See, if I'm writing something wrong, why don't you guys are saying anything? That means what we are doing here, we are just dividing both sides by pi, right? We are just dividing both sides by pi. Now pi upon pi will be what? 1. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree, right? That means 11 upon 15. Now you just multiply both sides by 11 upon 15. So 11 upon, you just multiply by 11 upon 15 into 11 upon 11 upon 15, right? That's how we do it. So this is equal to, okay, this is the rough work. So 11 upon 15 into 180 upon pi. These many degree. How much will be this?
sir, 132 by pi.
132 by pi. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
132 by pi.
Yes, sir.
degree.
132 by pi.
Yeah, 132 by pi degree. So either so this is value of theta. So if they ask in radians, so this is your answer. If they ask in degree, this is your answer. You don't have to substitute the value of pi. Okay, unless it is asked in the problem, you don't need to do it. See, if they will ask you to get means, you know, substitute the value of pi and get in terms in proper fraction or decimal, in decimal, they will give you what value of pi you have to take. They will give you, take pi is equal to 22 by 7 or pi is equal to 3.14. If they have not given it and they are asking to convert the answer in decimal, you can choose any value. You will get different answer, but it will be a minor difference. So you will be given the marks. Okay, so don't worry about it. So hopefully this lines and angles are clear. I have covered each and every single topic from this stuff. Okay, I'll give you some problems, some questions in homework, 5 to 10 questions I will give you. You please try to submit it before Sunday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and Raghav will inform you whether there will be a test on Sunday or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you,
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is having any doubt in this class? Any doubt at all? Or any problem, any concept you haven't understood?
Sir,
Any doubt in this class?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please ask me. Please tell me.
Sir, in 10th standard, we learned that the arc length is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Is it same
Acha,
as theta
okay.
is equal
Wait,
to
wait,
L
wait.
by r?
Yes. Tell me again. Theta, arc length.
Yes,
Let's say
sir.
AB is the arc length is equal to
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
theta by 360 into
2 pi r.
2 pi r. This is what you have learned.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
see, this is what? What is this?
Circumference of the circle.
Circumference of the circle, right? That means the, let's understand it here. See, that means the complete rotation from point A to point A. Okay, let's say that point, if it is going in this direction, it will come back here, right? And it will reach this same point. Let's say that point be A dash, means A dash and A will coincide. Okay, so that is your 360 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is also your 2 pi r. R is the radius, length of this. Fine, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now now for this problem, let's say take any point B anywhere. Take a point B here. Let's say point B is here. Okay, and we don't know the angle, so the angle we have assumed is theta. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that angle is theta. Now just use this same theorem what we have learned here. Okay, this theta is equal to L upon R, and you will get the same result. Okay, this is just we are writing here in degree and this is in radian. Okay, that's the difference, because you are taking angle here in degrees. So if you measure your angle in degree, that's how you are going to write the arc length. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is just in degrees, and here we have studied everything in radian. This theta is always in radian. Okay. Shri Kruti, right? Biology, you only asked me, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood this thing? What's the difference?
Oh, yes, sir. I understood.
You got it now? Or do you still have any doubt? It's just the conversion, degree and radian. That's it. Otherwise, everything is same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you convert this in radian, you will get same. Theta is equal to L upon R. Okay, this is L, by the way. This is L is equal to this we are writing. Okay. Anyone else is having any other doubt? Anyone? Okay, Varshini, everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Naveen? Okay, you are not answering. Murli? Aman? Hari?
Sir, understood.
Clear, clear.
Sir, understood, sir. Clear.
Ashwin? Ashwin? Any doubt, Ashwin?
No, sir.
Are you sure? Ashwin, are you sure? You don't have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. And DAV? Abhinav?
Understood, sir.
Pakka no? Acha, how much you got in your test in mathematics? Everyone?
So they didn't say, sir.
Not revealed yet. Is it a Hogrux or something? They are not revealing it where it is. Huh?
So they like suspense.
Oh, suspense. Okay, okay. It's fine, yeah. Don't worry about
So
it.
which test, sir?
The school test actually. They
No,
had a
for
test.
me, they started a bit late, so I'll be having this from next week, sir.
It's fine, it's fine. If you have any clarification you want, if you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
And
So from Monday we'll be having a regular class.
when is your mathematics test in your school?
On 22nd, sir.
22nd. What date is today? Say 18th, right? Or 17th? Today is what?
17th, sir.
Okay. That means Monday.
Wednesday.
Monday, no. Today is Wednesday. So Monday you are having test, right?
Yes, sir.
See, if you have any doubt, just what you can do is you can ask Bhaskar, okay, to connect with me. If he asks
we
me,
can have a separate meeting or something, sir.
No, see, those who will be having doubt will keep a doubt session, and will clarify all the doubts if anybody is having.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, it's not it is not going to be one-to-one class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.